Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see a new off-campus recruitment from the Accenture company, which is hiring for the associate software engineer position, .NET, SAP, SFTC and other skills. We will check the eligibility criteria. They have provided job description and company information here, company website. In the job description, once you join Accenture, your responsibilities will be developing, designing, maintaining technologies that improve way our clients and the world works, working in a challenging and dynamic environment, using their versatility to create support technology solutions that meet client requirements from analysis to implementation. Okay, so as a software engineer, your roles will be design, build, test, assemble, support and configure the application using business requirement and other things that are included. Okay, so we would love to you have you to have ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile, with an aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster, deliver code to time and quality expectations, from participate in peer reviews, take ownership of the successful implementation of the solution. Okay, so as you all know that what basically software engineer or software developer do, that same responsibilities are here. So further we will check the eligibility criteria. BTech all streams branches candidate can apply. 2019 and 2020 graduates can apply. An aggregate of 65%, 6 or 6.5 CGPA, and no active backlogs at the time of recruitment process and during onboarding. Maximum 1 year gap in education post 10th standard till completion of graduation. 0 to 1 year of work experience candidate can apply. Candidates should have certification, academic project experience or internship or work experience in the following technologies, that is ASP.NET. If you have done certification on ASP.NET, that will be a plus point from your end. Then SAP, ABAP, SFDC and others. Okay, candidates must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. So other information they have provided, that is not necessary, but yeah, please read at least once. Then enter your so how to apply for this Accenture off campus drive. Enter your first name, middle name, then last name, enter your mail ID, enter your mobile number, select your gender, then select your date of birth, your university roll number, then select your appropriate degree, BTech, MCA, then click here, then year of passing, then percentage or CGPA, then your skills. Okay, yeah, if any work experience in these technologies, then select appropriately. Do you have any standing backlog? Select your appropriate answer. Then do you have a PAN card? Select answer. Then do you have any year gap between education? Then have you attended Accenture interview in the last 6 months? Select appropriate answer here as well. Then how do you know about these scales? Select appropriate answer here as well and submit this form. So this is a very simple application process. So guys, don't miss this chance. Dear batch 2019 and 2020 BTech MCA candidates, please apply for this position. Don't miss this chance. This will you will get this link in the description box below. Click on that link and apply now. And thanks for watching this video.